Butsoy, what are you doing? Palatong this boy. Choy. Choy. Botchoy. Show up again. Sleeping time. You're okay, Toby? Taga. Why? Why you like that? Look at this spoiled brat Botsoy, oh. Look, the way he sleep. Get inside na, Toby. Come here na. Come. Come here. Get inside. Taga, you're very mean. You're handsome, but you're very mean to your brother. Look at this spoyo. Never mind. It's okay. It's okay na, Toby. I love you, Toby. This boy is jealous. Too much gar, ha? Taga? I'm gonna put you outside. You wanna stay outside? Keep on, ha? Come here.